If you need to keep a Microsoft Word table synced with PowerPoint, this tutorial is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to insert a linked Microsoft Word table into PowerPoint so that when the table changes in Word, you can update it in your presentation without rebuilding everything from scratch. This is a huge time saver for reports, business presentations, dashboards, and any slide deck where data may change often. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Word document that contains the table you want to use. Make sure the table is already formatted the way you want it to appear, because whatever is in Word will be the source content for your PowerPoint slide. Now click and drag to select the table. Be careful to select the full table and not just part of the text. Once the table is highlighted, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. You can also right-click and choose Copy if you prefer using the menu. Now switch over to PowerPoint and open the presentation where you want the table to appear. Go to the slide where you want to place the table and click the exact spot on the slide where the table should go. This helps PowerPoint know where to insert the linked object. If needed, you can choose a blank area on the slide for better placement and easier resizing later. Next comes the important part. Go to the Home tab, then find the Paste button. Click the small arrow under Paste to open the drop-down menu. From there, choose Paste Special. This opens a menu that gives you more control over how the content is inserted. In the Paste Special window, select Paste Link. This is what creates the connection between Word and PowerPoint instead of just pasting a static copy. After selecting Paste Link, choose Microsoft Word Table Object from the list. This tells PowerPoint to treat the pasted content as a linked Word table. Once that is selected, click OK. PowerPoint will insert the table into your slide, and because it is linked, it can stay connected to the original Word file. That means if you later update the table in Word, you can refresh it in PowerPoint to reflect the changes. If the table appears too large or too small, don't worry, you can resize it like any other object on the slide. Just click the table and drag the corners to make it fit your layout better. It's also a good idea to check the formatting after pasting, because sometimes linked objects may need a little adjustment depending on your slide design and theme. If you need to update the data later, simply return to the Word file, make your edits, save the document, and then refresh the linked object in PowerPoint when needed. This method is especially useful when you want to keep business charts, project tables, schedules, or summary data consistent across documents and presentations. Instead of copying the same table over and over again, you only manage one source file in Word. That makes your workflow cleaner, faster, and much easier to maintain. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.